How to create sub bullet points in Microsoft Word. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can create sub bullet points in Word. So let's just get started with the video and look out on how we can create up the sub bullet points in Microsoft Word. So let's just get started. So for that, you can open up the Microsoft Word and you can go ahead and type in the text that you want to type in, the options that you want to bullet points or sub bullet points. So once you've selected, you can find this bullet points on the upper section. Just go ahead and head over and navigate it. And once you have found it, go ahead and select it. Once selected, it will be turned into bullet points. So you can see this options has been turned into bullet points. So if you want to turn this bullet points into a sub bullet points as well, what you're going to do is simply go ahead and select them again over again, like the options that you want to sub bullet points. So for example, I want to sub bullet points apart from the apples. Let's say I want to sub bullet points the mango, orange, and pineapple, or different options that you have created. You can go ahead and select this option right here, and there you go. That is how you sub bullet point those particular options right there in your Microsoft Word as well. So that is it. It is a very straightforward and easy process you can follow up in order to create sub bullet points in your Microsoft Word as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.